Can we say that there is development in my county ya Kisii? I have no more senator.
Oh God, the answer is no, because ekero some the economics ya kego, even tombiro gesongo toka the certain factors that you consider kwa manyakoranga kiasa yale,
right?
Ngakia bantu bakorekana ne bitunga bire. In fact, o compare kero mo governor James Ongwale nge governor na right now kero mheshimiwa Simbale governor. There is an extremely big difference, and nchebuno mo senator egasiane no gukora oversight. So I've been going through the books ya Simba. I've been raising these issues. Oligere gusi tiganja akere very basic.
Okay.
Yende nyagitali ere bosongo ga. It's a shame. It's a shame. You see our people, Mheshimiwa James Ongwale left nyagitali area functional, the structures were working. Mother and child no yarenge, Doctor's Plaza was working, GCT scan were working. Ekere tu ajete, we were supposed to set up a system, a digital. Ya wane to kuligeli ebintu birugusi enyagitali KTRH, then kero muruira achire record ya iki atoka ngakiarwale te record yebo enyagitali wane to twara numbers za yabo enyagitali chi program bako manage mesara bakulia. We wanted a system SHVS chi account itali kuibo. Amaliogo was supposed to be available. You award your amenity and is supposed to be functional. Chi sub county health facility chiro. Oche una aga igase tumuso chonya kitali era neye Mheshimiwa James Ongwale akoletaki abegeta. Chi machine go chiajite ene project ya renge ya World Bank. Chi machine chigacha ni waited last week. Go chiarusi ku chonspi oneta yo manyete ngaicha agenda na negisi gokora. Ocha mangani town ye buno irega.
Right.
Yeligererie. Also go compare a town yo borabu bwaye o compare abana biasara be town. Moisonde na tebunga rates chamentirwe. Gatebunga without consultation. There should be public hearings. Oboli abantonga ntobwato bokongwichi besa. Can we please discuss to agree was 50 shillings in comment was 100 was 1,000? Nothing. Ko check revenue account ya collectively. The approximation generation HVS is supposed to be 1.2 billion. Ire ngaji togete 600 million. But again, to shocking is that Kisii level 6, I don't know, 7 hospital to buate pending bills wano check 1.2 billion. Ono kwe bolia. Enya gitali te yokara biasara. Enya gitali ngo generate HVS chaye. Enya gitali account ne buate HVS ko begere enya gitali area. Chibese nchiro choko cha kurwesa donors, AMREF, World Bank, IMF. Kwa kuligereria nkororoli chi video. Wagina whatever, there's nothing here, ndagrate hiyo, chimatrix nchiyo, itamba mbio, ogende Nyamarambe, ogende Sune Kamata, uchimuso uchi yegaiga. So we are having a problem kwa abantu bagusi the services they need.
Right.
And to me, and it's not because no governor uncle here, no, I just think let's be fair. To me, Simba has been unable to deal with the issues. And if you give promises, and sometimes you might think it's because I don't have an alternative to give. Simba na nyora weka William Ruto. Ti promise, chibicha wakwa, olete biragita town iga. Mbibu ati number plate toma itinga kibya gore tu tendering and procedures in chibu atiri okobolia bata bane bitino bwate ibiragite binde bikwerete chipara maiga binde mbia go moisondi chibija no chire. You are running this place like a banana republic. Aba usina abantu turaba ngaini nabantu abande bachieta America, Australia, the US, Canada. Aba usi know what they want. We all know what we want. But if you are not able to provide health services to your people, then to me you failed.
Right.
Ko chamangani education, GCD center limo mugavana tevede wagajire GCD center 290. Wako check your audit report bosokuboka. Wako legal chibese county abosonge konjora. And by the way, I can run through 3 hours of saying what is the problem, but we'll do that another day.
Right.
Number 2, ingi Simba ko irane chibese chiajire korwa national account ejitoko rwandera ku Nairobi shareable revenue uziye ne teach billion sap. What does it mean anything to him? Does he understand what 3 billion can do in Kisii County? So according to me, he was not ready and he was not qualified to govern. Finally, you cannot talk about development of a community without understanding that there's no development which takes place if there is no peace. Oh no, Kisii is being known as a place ezichiguni chigotara meeting itoko tuara toho chabona wano linda mwananchi nero toho chana sifuna bono mumura apangete n'abantu b'ekibibi yakoliya abana baito ngaba ekibesa bakikosere mukutano. But you know what is very interesting, abana aba baito bakogenda ekibibi n'abagaka bali bakogenda ekibibi mbali waliri, most of them bagototebya kibesa kirakina kibaho kikoyikira ni kyabo bagenda batige ekibibi nyomba bache n'okogoro balori asifuna bairene gasi bakikuye kibesa kinde simba wa promise. Nga ikibese chikorwa okobagera abantu, but you see politics ya UDA na berego.
Right.
Template ya Moi, intimidation, bribery, handouts. We are taking our people and making them, but we call it psychology. There is something called Maslow's theory of needs. Ekeroko ire ese soyo bwate kwagenda kwa irutraliuga kwasoka. After 2 days, watch anande kwa yaliuga, wasoka. On the third day, you don't have kwa yaliuga. It will automatically walk expecting because that is how we are programming our people. Lika simba Arati was my friend. I went to Korangeria. Aba muraba bechipi abatenga ki account yito. Nto wene to kolika banto 40. I've decided let's employ our border 30. Who will say no? Then it means you are changing these people's lives. Right. It means you are enabling them. But we mistreat them. We only use them as political objects when we feel threatened.
Right.